How to change your profile picture on Google. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, you want to go ahead and open Google application in your mobile device. Or if you don't have the application, you can go ahead and simply open any browser. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and open the Safari browser. Once you open the browser, in the search bar, simply search for google.com and then sign in to your Google account. Once you're signed into your account, simply tap on your profile icon right over here, then tap on this pencil icon again. Just like so, tap on change, then select any picture from here. But if you would like to select the image from your gallery, tap on device, then tap on continue. Just like so, tap on photo library and select the picture from your gallery. Once you're here, tap on done. Then you can go ahead and crop and rotate your profile picture. Once done, tap on next and just like so, tap on save as profile picture. And just like that, you'll then be able to change the profile picture of Google account. That's how I do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.